Transitioning to a plant-based diet can feel like stepping into a whole new world, one filled with vibrant colors, exciting flavors, and endless possibilities. But let's be real, it's not always easy. There are challenges lurking around every corner, and if you're not prepared, it can be easy to lose motivation and fall back into old habits. So let's break down some of those common pitfalls and explore practical strategies to keep you on track, motivated, and thriving in your plant-based journey. First off, let's talk about one of the biggest challenges, boredom. It's so easy to fall into the trap of eating the same few meals over and over again, especially when you're just starting out. You might find yourself reaching for salads, smoothies, or the classic rice and veggies. And while those are great options, if you don't mix it up, they can become monotonous. And that's a recipe for burnout. You want to keep your meals exciting. So here's a tip. Explore global cuisines. Dive into Indian curries, Mediterranean mezze, or spicy Thai dishes. Not only will you discover new flavors, but you'll also find a treasure trove of plant-based recipes that will keep your taste buds dancing. Experiment with different grains like quinoa or farro, and don't shy away from legumes. Lentils, chickpeas, and black beans can be the stars of your meals. And remember, batch cooking is your best friend. Prepare a variety of dishes in advance so you always have something delicious waiting for you, even on your busiest days. Now onto another hurdle, nutrient deficiencies. It can be daunting to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs when you cut out animal products. Nutrients like vitamin B12, iron, calcium, omega-3s, and protein can be trickier to obtain from a plant-based diet if you're not mindful. But don't worry, it's totally manageable. Incorporate plant-based proteins into your meals. Think tofu, tempeh, or even seitan. And for B12, consider fortified foods or a reliable supplement. Iron-rich foods like lentils and spinach are fantastic, especially when paired with vitamin C-rich foods to boost absorption. And let's not forget about omega-3s. You can find these in flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. A little planning goes a long way in ensuring you're nourished and energized. Cravings for animal-based foods can hit hard, especially in the early stages. You might find yourself longing for that cheesy pizza or a juicy burger. It's completely normal. Those cravings are often tied to emotional and cultural connections we have with food. So, what can you do? Look for satisfying plant-based alternatives. The market is bursting with options: cashew-based cheeses, plant-based meats, and even vegan ice creams. Indulge mindfully. It's okay to enjoy your favorite comfort foods, just make sure they're plant-based. This can help ease the transition and keep you feeling satisfied. And let's not forget about social pressures. It can be tough to navigate family gatherings or outings with friends when your dietary choices don't align with those around you. Food is such a social experience, and feeling isolated can make it hard to stick to your goals. One strategy is to prepare for social situations. Bring a plant-based dish to share at gatherings so you know you'll have something delicious to enjoy. Plus, it's a great way to introduce others to plant-based eating without making it a big deal. And if you find yourself at a restaurant, don't hesitate to ask for modifications to make a dish plant-based. Most places are happy to accommodate. Convenience is another challenge many face. Let's be honest, life can get hectic, and preparing plant-based meals might feel time-consuming. But it doesn't have to be. Meal prepping is key. Spend some time on the weekend preparing quick, easy meals that you can grab during busy weekdays. Think salads, grain bowls, and overnight oats. Stock your pantry with quick snacks like nuts, seeds, and hummus. And when dining out, do a little research ahead of time to find restaurants with plant-based options. A little preparation can save you from the temptation of fast food. Now, let's talk about staying motivated for the long haul. It's essential to set realistic goals. Start small. Maybe commit to meatless Mondays or try incorporating one plant-based meal a day. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Tracking your journey can be incredibly motivating and help reinforce your commitment. Keep your focus on the bigger picture. Remember the health benefits you're experiencing: more energy, better digestion, and improved overall well-being. And don't forget about the positive impact your choices have on the environment and animal welfare. Every plant-based meal you enjoy contributes to a more compassionate world. Lastly, keep learning and stay inspired. The more you know about the benefits of plant-based eating, the more motivated you'll feel. Watch documentaries, read books, and follow plant-based influencers who inspire you. Experiment in the kitchen, try new recipes, explore different cuisines, and challenge yourself to use new ingredients. Make your plant-based journey fun and creative. So as you navigate the ups and downs of transitioning to a plant-based diet, remember that it's a journey, not a race. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your successes, and keep your eyes on the prize. You've got this. With the right strategies and a little determination, you can thrive on a plant-based diet and enjoy all the benefits it brings.